Hi Kevin, thanks very much for the question, and I thought I'd do a quick video response for you to assist you to explain the problem. Firstly, you tell me you've got a Beko washing machine and the buttons on the front of the display are not working correctly, but if you press it a certain way they will start. Let me explain the problem. You've got a Beko WTB720E1W. Firstly, on this video, in the description, you will find a link that will take you through to a web page. And I've not only found you the exploded diagrams of all the parts that you need for this washing machine, but also the workshop manual, which has all the strip down procedure, test procedure, and also diagnostic mode when it comes to error codes and things like this. It's a very in-depth manual and it's going to be exceedingly useful for you. When it comes to the actual program, let me explain what's behind there. These buttons are connected via a plastic insert, which is an insert that lies between the facial panel and the control board. And this can become faulty and the plastic gets brittle and breaks. And you'll see on the exploded diagram that the part 1396 is the bank of plastic switches that I'm talking about, and that's in one of the exploded diagrams for you. You're going to have to take the lid off the machine, you're going to have to take the facial panel off, make sure you take detailed photographs of where all the wiring connects to the circuit board, because you don't want to get it wrong when actually taking it, putting it back together. You'll have to disconnect all the wiring, remove the facial panel, and then you'll be able to separate this from the actual program, and in between the program and the facial panel will be this bank of switches that you need to replace. They're not that expensive, and all the information you need is on the description on this video, and I've also put some useful videos on there for you as well. If this really helps you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.